Okay, okay, calmly bring him away. Good, just keep him there for a moment. Nice. Okay, guys, what just happened there? We're doing some remedial work with Rita and Venom. We're now teaching him to indicate properly. As you saw, she brought him up to do the search. And again, it's just one bin for now with the odor in it. He went, he made some oral contact, and then he got into pawing it. Now, this would be acceptable if it was a long time ago where we were doing aggressive indication, but we're not. Today we're doing passive indication. And what I find works is if we have a dog that exhibits that type of behavior where it starts to scratch the container, we're going to take the container off of the floor and we're actually going to place the container up here on top of a platform. And the platform doesn't have to be super high off the ground. So there it's like probably maybe a foot to maybe a foot and a little bit. And we're gonna bring the same dog back to the platform and have him indicate. Now, the reason why we take it off the ground is because it's a little bit high. So it's hard for him to do that. So let's try it again with Venom. Let's bring him over and give him the search command. There we go, good boy. Very nice, lots of praise. That was much better. So she brought the dog up. He couldn't bring his feet up. He did put his nose inside the bin and then he sat with a little bit of assistance. So we're gonna try that one again. Nice. Okay, let's bring your dog up calmly. Much better. And you see the difference in the behavior. And what would happen is over time now, we're going to, let's say, reduce the height of the platform. Like maybe come down an inch or two, and then a little bit more, and then a little bit more until we're on the ground. Now, if we have a larger dog, we can start again a little bit higher. So it depends on the size of the dog that would dictate how high off the ground your platform is. We're gonna do just one more with your dog. And again, when you bring him up nice and calm, when we're doing this type of work, especially with a high drive dog like that, we're gonna be just a little bit calmer so as to keep it a little bit easier for him in the way of the indication. There, very nice. Excellent work. And what a difference. He actually put his nose right into the little hole here and he sat and he froze. So we would have him do this for several sessions. So anywhere from a week, maybe 2 weeks before we start to reduce it. Only because he created this habit some time ago. And because it's so ingrained, it's gonna take a little bit of time before we erase that. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Please subscribe to our channel. Check out my new book, Instinct to Excellence. And with that, guys, take care.